While I walk you through the process of how I made the shirt using gum, yes, the same gum that caused every argument online, let's talk about ready-made wears. A lot of tailors still don't understand the power in ready-made. So as I stitch and press, we are going to explore this together. Welcome to Needlemeister channel. I am Olabanjo Isaiah. Allow me to say a quick shout out to my little furry friend, Stitch, my newest body in the studio. He loves to be part of every stitch and cut. We made the shirt together. He was there with me throughout the process of cutting and stitching. So it's very important I give him his flower in this video. Else, he may sue me for copyright infringement. What is ready-made? Ready-made simply means producing cloth before a customer places an order. You design, you sew, you finish, and then you sell what's already made. This is very different from the normal customer bring cloth tailor sew format. It's ready-made. You control everything: the fabric, the style, the packaging, and the price. It's the system behind brands like Zara, H&M, and even our own Nigeria fashion brands. The good news, you can do it too, even from your small studio. Why you should consider it? Ready-made wears give you more freedom. You are not waiting for customers to bring jobs. You are producing, packaging, and selling directly. It builds your brand faster. People begin to know you for a style, not just as one tailor like that. You earn more because now you can sew one outfit and sell it again and again in different sizes or styles. And guess what? Customers abroad love this model. They just want to pick, pay, and receive. No back and forth. This shirt I'm making right now, imagine having 10 of it in stock, ready to ship out with perfect packaging. What you must know before starting ready-made. First, you need clarity in your style. Don't sew every trending thing. Focus on designs that reflect you and that you can sew excellently. Second, you need to understand your target market. Are you sewing for working class men, stylish youths, church wear, weddings? Know it. Third, size charts. This is very important. You must learn how to cut for multiple sizes or how to use a block pattern that's adjustable. Lastly, you need to improve your presentation, photos, videos, clean backgrounds, neat packaging. Ready-made is not just about sewing, It's about brand. To learn how I made the collar with gum, please visit my YouTube channel, Needlemeister. The tutorial is there. Now let's go back to our topic. The power of finishing. Now let me tell you, ready-made wears are nothing without clean finishing. You see the shirt I'm working on. Apart from the gum technique, what makes it stand out is the factory quality finishing. No loose threads, no rough seam. Button alignment must be sharp. Interfacing must be firm. If someone is buying your ready-made outfit, they want to feel like they are wearing something made by a top designer, not a roadside tailor. Your finishing is what makes customers tell their friends, post online, and even come back for more. Starting ready-made wear is not difficult. What it requires is intentionality. Even if you begin with just 2 or 3 outfits, make sure they reflect the quality, creativity, and identity of your brand. Don't wait till you are big. Start now with what you have. This shirt is just an example. Imagine the number of people that would love to buy it as is. Not wait for tailoring. Just pick and wear. If you are watching this, let this be your sign to try ready-made. The world is moving fast. Don't let your sewing skill stay stuck. God bless your handwork, and may your brand grow strong. Now enjoy the rest of this video as I finish up with the press button. If this video add any knowledge to you, consider hitting the like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Hit the follow button if you're watching on Facebook or any of my social platforms, and leave a comment in the comment section. I really want to hear your opinion about all I have said. Thank you very much.